Hey guys, it's Scott from Wisconsin Landscaping. Welcome back. It's Tuesday, July 18th. We got all the fabric tidied up and we're going to rock this today and it's going to look really nice. We did the wall underneath the stairs patio and it looks awesome. We put some steps in there. We still have to do the big step and big wall. We'll finish that up tomorrow, but I'm going to show you what we got all done today. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? Wait till you see down below. Look how nice that looks. We got them little walls in it, and you can see the walls around the patio underneath that deck with some steps going up there. And here are those steps. Nice. Looks, turned out pretty nice. We really like it. Look at that. Isn't that nice? There's those steps. This bigger wall, the smaller wall. It turned out pretty awesome. But thanks for watching, and like I say, tomorrow we'll finish up the big wall with a couple steps and make this job finished. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.